Very good morning to one and all who are all watching this video. In today's video, we are not going to solve any sums. Okay, then what's for this video? I know you peoples are good at schedule yourself, but most of my friends feels it's tedious to follow regularly. Is you feel the same? Let me share some ideas to follow your schedule regularly. The first thing is create your own schedule. You are not supposed to follow anyone's schedule. It's the most common mistake did by most common peoples. The second and nice thing is to make a schedule as simple as much possible. Remember this, you need not to rush up the whole syllabus in a month. Take your own time. The third thing, the third thing is make enough day for revisions. If you are scheduling a week, make sure a day for a revision. If you are scheduling a month, make sure there is enough day for revisions. Last and the best thing is, which you should follow, is add mock test and analysis in your daily schedule. You have to do that day by day. If you are not, then you are running in a wrong track.